Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2015 Chevrolet Corvette C7 2LT. This one is, all the Corvettes are convertibles. This one has the removable sky view hardtop. 2LT with the automatic transmission. Some of you may have just clicked away, but that's okay, because the people who appreciate the fact that sports cars are available in both manual and automatic will be watching this video. Absolutely awesome car. Do have a dump truck coming, but C7, of course, is the last front-engined Corvette with the quad exhaust, even on the Stingray, which is now the it's either triple, or the center exit exhaust is now indicative of the Z06 in the C8. All right, we have the gauge cluster is now set to, I had to activate it in the settings, but it is set to tour, or change by a mode. So tour gives you this display, sport opens up the exhaust, gives you that display, track gives you the hockey stick. So another little thing is your hidden compartment. All your settings. 2LT gives you heated and cooled seats. You do get heads-up display, which I'm gonna increase there. It also has, let's see, playing with info. Can raise, lower it. Cool. There is that glass roof, which is sick. Right. 8-speed torque converter auto. Kind of the tale of two transmissions. In the lower RPM, this thing is a very kind of slush box type automatic, which I kind of do like, because it gives this car kind of touring abilities where you're not on edge the whole time. And it gives you nice crisp shifts when you want it. We are on Pilot Super Sport summer tires. With it being 42 degrees out, I've tried to drive around a little bit to keep these tires warm. It seems like we have some grip. C7 is where they really got it right. C7 was such a phenomenal car when it came out. I mean, this thing was taking down 911s. Well, sometimes taking them down. It depends on what turn levy, whatever. But this was the first Corvette that I think really put up a big fight against the 911. I mean, yes, the C6 Z06 was and the ZR1 was next level. So I would say that maybe might be the first time, but this was the car that consistently across the lineup really put a big fight against the 911, which, as we all know, in the sports car world, is the car to beat. They finally got the interior right. And I mean, it doesn't look too dated now that this car's almost 10 years old. And now with the C8, it's a whole different animal. I mean, now we're a mid-engine platform, dual clutch transmission. But I think a lot of people are gonna go back to the C7 and realize how great of a car this was. I mean, remember when people made a big stink about the fact that the taillights were square? Y'all remember that? I think it was the C4. People hated it because the taillights were square. Corvette fanatics are so stuck in their ways when it comes to minute details. So when you take and you don't listen to what all of them say, you realize you make great cars. Everybody was like, yeah, the C8's not a real Corvette because it's not front engine. I don't care, the C8's a great car. Oh, real Corvettes don't have automatics. I don't care, this is a great car. I can't get caught up in the internet blasting about cars and saying, yep, what they say is true. A Corvette can't be an automatic and it can't be mid-engined. La da 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 da. Can't have square taillights. Guys, respectfully, tell them to shut up and drive the car for yourself. It's such a phenomenal car. And even when I'm in full-blown track mode right now and I am cruising, and it is so comfortable. And even with the exhaust baffles open, at the lower RPMs, it's not extremely loud. It's pretty mellow. But then when you really want it to be loud, it's stupid loud. When you're on it, it is loud. It's just such a great overall car that I think for the money, if you don't want to spend sticker or over on a C8, I think you'll be just as happy with the C7, and you'll have the last in the lineup of front-engine Corvettes. You know, yes, Corvette is America's sports car, and because of that, it has to adapt to the change. But if you're kind of stuck in your way saying, no, the Corvette I grew up with was front engine, get a C7. I don't think you'll be upset at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.